It's a beautiful day today. This is the third day of our passage. Just finished the third night. Oh, still got waves, man. Wind has dropped quite a bit. It's only like 16 knots. Get the wind, more to beam, broad reach. We've been going along all this time with 3 reefs. Just opened up the Jeanneau because we got this wind. And now we can say happy birthday to Johnny. It's Johnny's birthday today. He's 74 years old. Happy birthday, Johnny.
This episode is titled No Talk, Just Sailing, so I'll be brief. When you're out here in the middle of the ocean, there is not much to say. And no need to talk much. It's much too loud anyways. But I will say just one more thing.
The old salty sailor is up. Happy birthday, Johnny, 74.
May you continue to live long and sail far, my friend. hope you enjoyed this simple musical episode. If not, stay tuned. There'll be plenty to talk about in the future.
And don't ever stop. Don't look over your shoulder. Don't ever look back. No use for second opinions. Don't wanna stay in the past.
Well, we made it. We're moored. But a lot of work to do tomorrow. Galopin is soaked. Water came in everywhere, and it's all in the bilges and stuff. I'm gonna have to dry them out tomorrow, and lots of other stuff. But for now, it's time for a drink. I think I deserve it. And what a trip, man.
When you're feeling down and low, there's really only one way to go. You need to crawl back on your feet and keep on fighting. And don't ever stop. Don't look over your shoulder. Don't ever look back. No use for second opinions. Don't wanna stay.
It was great to have you along in this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You really help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday, so welcome aboard.